Okay, now I remember what these flowers are. They are Muscari. It's like a hyacinth. Uh, it's in the same family as hyacinth. So it's a white one. I have a purple one in the front yard. But the leaves look so different than the purple one. They're even darker, like a bluish. They actually came up. I like it. And look at that little tulip. I don't know why that tulip is like little like that though. I don't know. I just probably didn't plant anything quickly. A little statue my friend gave me. It's starting to feel good. The weather's nice. It's like breezy. Look at these turnips. That is not what I thought it was going to look like. Yay. There's a peony growing right there. Anyway, we'll see. We will see. As long as this stays, please stay. Anything stay and grow. Oh, the front. Let me go see what the heck's going on. Oh, there's a wasp. Big old wasp. See that? Shoot. Okay. I'll get away. It's getting warm. Well, I also... Oh, look at my dog sniffing the dandelions. She's just been enjoying the sun right now. She was laying down. Look at another tulip on the ground. I don't know why. Jeez, did I dig them that deep or something? I don't know. Look at daffodil. Anyway, cute. Hopefully those tulips come up so they can be with the yellow daffodils, man. So they could come up and look so pretty. What else? Huh. Look at that little bean. See how it's like sprouted. Cute. Oh. Mm-hmm. What else? I'm just gonna let things grow wild. If they survive, survives. Cause I'm okay. Just missed it. A bluebird was right there and it flew away because I opened the door so loud. Where did it go? Bluebird. Where did it go? Did it go far? Uh-oh. Right as I should have been recording as I opened the door. Because the bluebird was right here. Anyway, look at the tulip. Yay, everything looks good right here. The daffodils are dying. I had pink tulips over here, but they did not come back up. I'm sad about that. They were gorgeous. There's one leaf. I don't know why it looks like that. Huh. Oh. That little tulip. Why is it? Look at the peony. Nice. I wonder where that bluebird went. I don't know. It looked like it went in the bush or something. Anyway, the pink tulips did not come up this year. Cute. It's sunny. Let me see if I can see the bird. This way. Nope. That's all. There's wasps. Oh my god. Okay. It flew away again. There's a wasp. Okay. Look. Hopefully these tulips bloom and the peony blooms at the same time. Crepe myrtle is blooming already. Oh, okay. Oh, that's all. Let me see if I see the bluebird. Dang it. It went away far. Alright, that's all. I'll just show the tulips again before they die. Start dying. Little dandelions. Cute. I don't want to step on the grass. It's so pretty. And oh, those tulips. Dang. They look so cute. The hyacinth. I thought I planted more. It's not. Look at that. Oh, that's a weed. I was like, what is that? It's like a little baby blue flower. I was like, how the heck? Because I know this flower is like yellow or orange or red, not blue. Oh, tulips. Oh, a bug. Alright, well, enjoy the sun. Yep, okay, that's all. Bye.